Hey guys, Aaron Dunn here from Bass Truck Center. I've got a 2026 Hino L6 with a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine and an Allison automatic transmission on it. A 26-foot Morgan aluminum box. We've got an overhood door on this one. You've got a translucent roof. You got the E-Track system. You're at dock height. You've got an air seat, DOT safety kit, tilt wheel. You've got the cruise control, heated mirrors, AM/FM stereo, automatic transmission, air brakes, aluminum fuel tank, air brakes, and dual rear wheels. For more information, give me a call or a text at 440-666-6253. I look forward to hearing from you.